Hey everyone, this is Viren and welcome back to the Google Ads Mastery playlist on my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to continue to talk about keyword research. We've already seen one way, which was using competitor websites, related websites, and leveraging those websites to figure out new keywords. And we've already done that. In this video, we're going to look at the Google Keywords Planner tool and let's see how we can use that to discover new keywords. Now, before we get started, I have opened some one-on-one slots for consultation with me, and if you're interested in that, the link to book is in the description below. Having said that, let's get into the video. So in the last video, we had assumed that we have a business where we're selling tables, something like, let's say, this IKEA site, and there are a lot of these different kinds of tables, right? So we had used competitor websites to get a list of these 50 odd keywords. And if you've missed that video, it's in the description, it's in the playlist. Go check it out. We had then also saved all of these keywords into a Google Sheet. And from here on, let's continue and see how we can leverage the Google Keyword Planner to discover new keyword ideas. So let's go into Tools. And we're now into the Keyword Planner. Now, as you can see, there are some different options that Google gives us. So if you already have a list of keywords and you just want to understand their search volume, their forecast, you can use this tool. But for now, we're just looking to discover new keywords. So let's use this. Within here, again, there are two options. You can start with some keywords or you can start with a website. We've already explored starting with a website in another video. So let's look at starting with keywords. Be mindful of the language and the country that is selected. In case you are focusing on another country for your ads, you can change that here. I'm just going to leave this as United States. Now let's start typing some keywords. So buy. Made some options here and let's click on get results. So now we have a bunch of keyword ideas here, a total of 8,439 ideas. That's a lot of keywords, right? And there are a lot of ways to filter this out, right? So for example, a lot of these keywords have brand names in it. Now, if you are someone who is a reseller and you sell all of this, then maybe it makes sense. But for now, we're going to go ahead and remove all keywords which have brand names in them. Then there are a whole different kinds of furniture here, right? And let's say, for example, desk, chairs might not make sense to me. Let's say we don't sell benches or dressing tables, stool. So we removed all of that from the list as well. These are tables by different rooms of the house. So look at that. You can look at different kinds of material. And these are also different ideas for like ad groups in itself, right? You could create ad groups by material. You can create ad group by home room. You can create ad groups by the different utilities of the table that you sell. And there are these lot of different ways in which people actually search for tables. And this is like a gold mine of data, right? So once you've looked at all of this, we can go around and see that we've narrowed down the 8,000 odd keywords to 5,600 now. And what I'm going to now do is basically select all of them. So we're selecting about 5,000 keywords. And from here, you can either decide to directly add your keywords to a campaign or ad group. I would not suggest that because we have selected over 5,000 keywords. But you could also choose to download your keyword ideas into a Google Sheet, right? And let's do that. And we're ready. We'll open the sheet. Let's just clean this up a little bit. And now we have this table ready. And not only can we see the average monthly searches and filter by that, we can also see the competitiveness of these keywords. We can see the bid for top of the page, right from lower range to higher range. And all of this data was also available in the keyword planner, right? We can see that for every bid, what is the average monthly search? Is the competition high? We could also check the top of page bid ranges, right from low to high. This is roughly the amount of money you'd have to pay per bid in order to stay top of page on Google search result for the location that we've selected, which is United States. So out here, you might choose to, let's say, filter this out and choose keywords where you can actually afford to stay within the range, right? So let's say that if I wanted to only target keywords where competition is actually medium to low, right? So I still have about 95 keywords in that range, and we could go ahead and use that. I will also sort this and then have the list of keywords where it's going to be cheapest for me to stay on top of Google search results in the country that I've chosen. I could go ahead and select my keywords that way as well. And that's about it for this video. I hope you now know how to use Google Keywords Planner to start discovering new keyword ideas for your Google search ads. In the next video of the playlist, we're also going to look at another way to do keyword research. So we've already covered related websites and competitor websites. We've covered Google Keywords Planner. And now let's look at one of the tools that is available out there. And if you can afford to pay for one, then how much those tools can help you do keyword research better. Once again, if you want me to personally help you set up these kind of things for your business, the link to book me up for a one-on-one consultation is in the description. But regardless of that, I will be back with another video which will help you do your keyword research better. And we'll continue to build this Google Ads Mastery playlist so that you can run Google Ads by yourself without needing any other help or external course out there. So I'm going to see you in the next one.